Hi friends, in today's video tutorial, we would study how to add conditional columns and custom columns in Excel using Power Query. So I have a sheet in which I have the headings like name, preferred name, status, table and confirmation. So first thing which I want to do is, I want to introduce one column over here called as batch, and in that batch column, whatever is the preferred name of the student should come over there, else his first name should come over there. So let me first show you how we will do this. We'll click anywhere inside the data, right click over here and select get data from table/range and then click on OK. Then we'll click on the status column. Then we'll select add column. And here we'll select conditional column. In conditional column, we'll first give the name for the column, that is batch. And here I'll write down that if the preferred means this. Okay, so you can see wherever the preferred is null. So if the preferred equals to null, then I will select a column and that column would be name. Else I'll select a column and that column would be preferred. Then I will click on OK and you'll see one column gets created called as batch, and I'll just move it close to the name. So here you can see wherever the name is having a short form, that would be coming over there, else the name of the individual would count. So this was the conditional column. Let us see one more example. Suppose I want to make a list of members and non-members. So I'll click on status. Again I'll select conditional column and I'll give the name as members/non-members. Then I will give the heading that if status equals to member, then we want to type over there the value as M. Else we want to type the value as NM, means non-member. And then we'll click on OK. And you will see one column gets created. Wherever it is guest or student, it will be NM. And wherever it is member, it will be M. Last, we will see the confirmation column. And we know that the code for the confirmation column should be maximum of 6 digits. So I want to check if all are 6 digits or not. So in that case, I will use add column, custom column. We'll give the heading like confirmation check. And here we'll write down equal to text dot length Okay, so this double text should not be there. Open bracket and we select confirmation, close bracket, select OK. So you can see all are 6 digits except one, that is this particular code seems to have an error. So friends, in this video we have seen how to add a conditional column, that is the batch, and we also added one more column called as member non-member, and we have also studied how to add a custom column this way. Hope you have learned something new. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you again in the next video. Till that time, goodbye.